Greeting.
Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Cold weather, isn't it? Cold weather, isn't it? What a nice day. What a nice day. How do you do? How do you do? May I have your name? May I have your name? I've heard a lot about you. I've heard a lot about you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. It is my pleasure to meet you. It is my pleasure to meet you. Excuse me, have we met somewhere before? Excuse me, have we met somewhere before?
Yes, we have met in the cinema. Yes, we have met in the cinema. Aren't you Miss Mary? Aren't you Miss Mary? Glad to see you again. Glad to see you again. Long time no see. Long time no see. It has been half a year we haven't seen each other. It has been half a year we haven't seen each other. What a surprise to see you here. What a surprise to see you here. What a small world. What a small world. When was the last time we met? When was the last time we met? It has been so long that I cannot remember. It has been so long that I cannot remember. We haven't seen each other for 3 years. We haven't seen each other for 3 years. What have you been up to all these years? What have you been up to all these years? I have been preparing for the entrance exam. I have been preparing for the entrance exam. Wish you all the best for your exam. Wish you all the best for your exam. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I was looking forward to seeing you. I was looking forward to seeing you. How are you doing? How are you doing? How is everything? How is everything? Fine, thank you. Fine, thank you. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not very good. Not very good. What troubles you? What troubles you? What's going on? What's going on? You haven't been around much lately. You haven't been around much lately. Sorry, I didn't catch your name. Sorry, I didn't catch your name. I'm Jane. Nice to meet you. I'm Jane. Nice to meet you. Have you ever been to United States before? Have you ever been to United States before? Yes, I went to New York for a meeting 2 years ago. Yes, I went to New York for a meeting 2 years ago. How about you? How about you? Same as usual. Same as usual.